two nations, two very different military strategies. So today, let's break down the United States versus Iran military power. Let's begin with fighter aircraft. The United States fields an enormous fleet of 1,854 fighter jets, including advanced aircraft like the F-22 and F-35. Iran, by comparison, operates around 130 fighter aircraft, a massive difference in aerial combat capability. But air power alone does not decide modern wars. Logistics often plays an even bigger role. Iran operates around 90 military transport planes, used to move troops and equipment across the country. But the United States operates an incredible 957 transport aircraft, allowing rapid deployment of forces anywhere on the planet, giving the U.S. a huge advantage in global logistics. But battlefield mobility depends heavily on another category: helicopters. Iran fields roughly 130 helicopters, mainly used for transport and battlefield support. The United States operates an astonishing 5,737 helicopters, including Apache attack helicopters and Black Hawk transports. But naval power is where the strategic balance becomes even more dramatic. Next, aircraft carriers. The United States Navy operates 11 aircraft carriers, floating air bases capable of launching dozens of fighter jets anywhere in the world. Iran operates no aircraft carriers, giving the United States overwhelming naval aviation dominance. Now, submarines. Iran operates around 20 submarines, designed primarily for stealth operations in the Persian Gulf. The United States Navy operates about 70 submarines, many of them nuclear-powered and capable of global missions, a major advantage beneath the ocean surface. Next are combat vessels. Iran operates approximately 280 naval vessels, many designed for fast attack and swarm tactics. The United States operates around 440 warships, including destroyers, cruisers, and amphibious assault ships. But wars are not fought only at sea. Ground forces remain crucial. On land, we have battle tanks. The United States fields about 4,640 tanks, including the highly advanced M1A2 Abrams. Iran operates around 2,900 tanks, but technology and protection levels differ significantly. However, long-range missile systems can change the battlefield completely. Now, ballistic missile launchers. Iran operates around 250 missile launchers, forming one of the largest missile arsenals in the Middle East. The United States maintains about 400 launchers capable of striking targets across the globe. Both nations possess powerful long-range strike capability, but traditional artillery still plays a major role in ground warfare. Next is towed artillery. The United States operates about 1,340 artillery systems. Iran fields approximately 2,200 artillery units, providing Iran with significant battlefield firepower, but protecting troops and cities requires strong air defense systems. Iran operates around 400 air defense units, including systems like Bavar 373. The United States fields roughly 1,400 air defense systems supported by advanced radar networks, creating a layered defensive shield. But the most powerful strategic deterrent is still nuclear weapons. The United States possesses approximately 5,177 nuclear warheads. Iran currently possesses none, one of the most decisive strategic differences between the two nations. And finally, the total size of each country's military force. Iran maintains an active military force of around 610,000 troops. The United States fields approximately 1.3 million active service members across all branches, two massive militaries with very different structures, technology, and global reach.